it must slide like this. Yeah, we're taking it. Now we can see where is our broken part.
Where is it?
Put it here.
Can I see, please?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
This one.
Here it is.
Look, to turn it on, we have connector.
Yes.
Without this part,
It doesn't work.
it doesn't work at all.
Yeah, I see, I see.
See? Now we need to
Glue it somehow.
do it somehow.
After 3 years, our Siemens EQ.300 coffee machine broke down, and because of the warranty is only 2 years, we cannot return it and get a new one. So now let's try and fix it.
Let's go. Here is our problem. There is some part like this, and because here is a sensor, when it broke down, it doesn't turn on at all. Take this part out. Next one, take this one.
Out.
We must find where there is a screw. Here, this one, and I think this one and this one, to take this part.
Okay.
Let's try to unscrew it, maybe. It must slide like this. Yeah, we're taking it. Now we can see where is our broken part.
Where is it?
Put it here.
Can I see, please?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
This one.
Here it is.
Look, to turn it on, we have connector.
Yes.
Without this part,
It doesn't work
it doesn't work at all.
at all. Yeah, I see, I see.
See? Now we need to
Glue it somehow.
do it somehow.
I hope it will work after this.
It will be, but we need to glue it.
Oh.
Let's do it. Look, without this part, and here, without this part, here connectors, it doesn't close at all, but now it can close. We need to glue it here, and this switch will be turned on. Let's do it.
Bro.
I told you it's not baguette. Cool. Need to wait to cool it. Let's check it. Closed. Yes. Unclosed. Closed. Unclosed. Closed. Yes. Everything is okay. Everything is working.
Yeah. Now we come to coffee. Let's
Yeah.
go, baby.
Let's go. Slide it back.
Be careful, the brake.
Okay.
Grab it.
Yeah, it's okay. Then we'll put the screw back.
Yes, screw it in.
Ta-dam.
Let's go.
Let's go this way. Let's try to make some coffee.
Let's go. Drum roll, please. It's working.
Really?
Yes, look.
Yeah, it's working.
Yay!
Yeah.
High five.
Go!
Oh.
Let's make some coffee
That
and
is-
content clean.
After coffee.
Yeah.